I'm Liliane Campos.
And I'm Pierre-Louis Patoine. We're going to present our book, Life Rescaled.
Life Rescaled explores how literature and performance draw images and ideas from the life sciences.
The first section examines aesthetic forms inspired by microscopic, invisible scales of life.
Microbiology is inspiring new forms of sublime and aesthetics of the grotesque, both in literature and in popular science.
Poets and writers are connecting the tiny scales of cellular and developmental biology with the macro scales of geology and ecology.
Mycology, the science of fungi, is inspiring art focused on entanglements and networks.
The book's second section investigates novels that engage with the images and discourse of neurobiology.
The rise of neuroscience has led to the birth of a whole new genre, the neuro-novel, and a branch of literary criticism that we call neuro-lit crit.
Brain images are everywhere, but recent comics and graphic novels remind us that brain imaging is not as transparent as it seems.
The book's third section asks how fiction engages with pandemics and catastrophic visions of humanity's future.
What social inequalities hide behind the images of cities emptied by the pandemic?
What kind of ontologies are implied in stories of genetic engineering and microbial contagion?
And do post-apocalyptic novels pander to our fears of overpopulation?
The final section takes a look at our rapidly growing ecological imagination.
Can the structure of a novel be compared to a form of ecosystem modeling?
How do graphic narratives represent ecological hyperobjects, which are so difficult to imagine?
And what about theater? Is it inevitably centered on the human, or can it welcome non-human voices and perspectives?
Can performance and art more generally play the role of an ecological diplomat?
And maybe you've been wondering what this beautiful image we've used as a background. It's a satellite photograph called Life Along the Nile, created by the Earth Resources Observation and Science Center. So we hope you enjoy the collection and join us in reflecting on the biological imagination in the 21st century literature and performance. Thank you.